Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You just need to check my video description for this site link. Just scroll down. This mod disable heavy graphical effects, optimize CPU usage, tweaks rendering settings, and add an FPS overlay to boost performance and reduce shutter in Battlefield 6. If you doesn't know your game location, just navigate to this path and go to files. In config, select the manual download option. Select the slow download option. If you are new to the site, then you will be redirected to login page. You just need to log into the site, guys. If you doesn't have an account, then select the register option and create a new account. After the download done, select this folder icon. Right click on the downloaded file and select open with WinRAR. And now you can navigate to the game folder. If you doesn't know where the game is located, then this is the path for Steam users. After you are in the game folder, just drag and drop this user.cfg file to your game directory and just close it off here and launch the game. And as you can see, the FPS is showing on the top. Seriously, guys, my FPS is average 180 to 200, but after doing this optimization, I got about 200. That's crazy. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.